What's going on YouTube? Gonna be making a update to my stash. This is probably gonna be the last of it here, unless something really nice comes up at a decent price. Then for sure I'm gonna hop on that. But otherwise, I think this is it. So cheers, happy 4th. It's gonna be a good year. Let's get it, pyros. Here I got this brother, Captain Sam, 30 shot for daytime use. I lit this one last year and everybody loved this shit. This shit has little parachutes and shit that come flying down. I mean, everybody goes crazy for this shit. I don't know what it is, but so I had to get that one. But here I got that new. Yeah, man. I got that Firework Rush, Wreck-It Ralph, 100 shot, fan. Do you got this one in your stash? Let me know. Then here I got the Pink Bird, 187 shot, fan, straight up, you know. This one is chunky, big motherfucker. The bird is the word. Here, got another, what was told to me was a new. Awesome ass fucking graphic on this. 140 shots, heavy. You can see big chunky finale here. Awesome, just badass fucking graphic. This is the color Raging Color Show. 140 shots. Here you already know, second place. 150 shots. Got the Martian Cake. 100 shots, fan, checking up 10 at a time. 66 shot Rooster, you already know. Domestic War Cake, 168 shots. I'll let y'all ponder on all that. And then here I got some more, you already know. Teaser. And got the novelties. Have a good 4th, everybody.